Okay, here we go. Designing for constraints. As a design thinking instructor, I've seen hundreds of students try to solve problems by focusing on the solution, the one product, service, or idea that will fix everything surrounding the problem. Understandably, they lean into an optimist's mindset and minimize challenges. But I've found that it's actually easier to design something when you focus on constraints rather than possibilities. Here's 2 reasons. Constraints are usually non-negotiable. They're the boundaries you must operate within, no matter what. While this might sound limiting, it can honestly be liberating and exciting. Knowing your limits gives you clarity and direction, which can be incredibly fruitful for creativity. It's fun to find creative ways to break the rules. Reason 2. Solutions born from constraints are often more efficient and cohesive. When you start with a solution and try to retrofit it to constraints, the result can feel rigid, inelegant, disjointed. On the other hand, starting with constraints allows you to shape new solutions that harmonize with that design landscape. These solutions feel natural, purposeful, and seamless. Here's an example. Imagine I asked you to write a poem. With no guidelines, you might struggle to gain momentum because language is so vast and complex. But if I give you a rhyme scheme, or a syllable count, or even a prompt, you'd have a start, a nucleation point to build from. The constraint becomes a stepping stone that propels your creativity forward. This principle applies to all kinds of creative projects. Budgets, timelines, client requests, these constraints will always crop up. Sure, they can be frustrating, but embracing them as part of your design philosophy can transform resistance into opportunity.